Okay, here's some dual zone 2 carrier comfort heat pumps. This one is from 2019 and it's a 3-ton. And this one also does have it. This one has a Copeland soil compressor and it has a fan motor. And this one also does have it. But here's the and there is another here. There is a Lennox Marite. And then they were going to feed them things we had here. So there's a thing. So this is a dual zone 2 carrier comfort heat pumps, but they're from 2019 and it's a 3-ton. But we will see the running heat pump in a bit. So doesn't seem to be frozen because it's not running, but maybe they're brand new carrier comfort heat pumps. But let's go see them running in heat mode. In cool mode. Sorry about that. I didn't find the heat pump running, but here's the Lennox. Here's the Lennox Marite heat pump. This one doesn't defrosted. And let's go see another Lennox carrier comforts. Okay, here's some dual zone Lennox Marite heat pump. Going to see another Lennox. Okay, so there's a Lennox Marite heat pump. So there it is. Okay, here's the carrier comfort. One is running. Yep, one is running. But here's it. So this is a carrier comfort at my aunt's house. So it makes a squeaky noise. But one is running because I wanted to see the one carrier comfort running. But I found it. Alright. See ya tomorrow.